Hi, I'm Eunice. Today I'm going to talk about the education in different countries. Think about it. Why Chinese and Americans have more advantage than Taiwanese to get the job? And why Taiwanese personality is too shy to talk and so passive that the teacher prefers to teach Chinese and American students? And this is today's outline. I'm going to talk about the education in 3 countries. The first one is Taiwan, the second one is China, and the third one is in the United States, and summary and conclusion. First of all, I would like to talk about the education in Taiwan. In Taiwan, almost every student goes to school even their parents do not have money to pay the tuition because of the traditional thinking. Only study better than doing everything. The students do not have much time brainstorming because the teacher will teach during the whole class, and they do not have much time to think, to discuss, and they focus on academic subjects. There are Chinese, English, math, science, and biology. If one student do not interested in one of them, they have no choice because their parents think this is the most important. And you can see in this picture, the students are learning something they are not interested in, so they will sleep during the whole class. But do you think this is the effective way to teach? I think most of us will think this is not a good way. And now you're aware of the education in Taiwan, so let's take a look at the education in China. There are some differences between the students in China and in Taiwan. The students in China are well known for their hardworking personality, and the competitive strength is very high in China. For example, if the 2 students' grade is 95 and 96, their ranking might differ widely. One might be at 100 and the other might be at 200. It is huge difference. And now you're aware of the education in Taiwan, in China. And now let's take a look at the education in the United States. Do you think the education in United States will be the same as the Asian style? Of course not. And it is totally different. The teachers in the United States will respect what the students interested in. For example, if the student likes sports, they will not push them to learn academic subjects. They will respect what the students interested in, and they will encourage them to join more activities about sports. And the teachers point out the main points during the class, and ask questions to let the students discuss. And you can see these 2 pictures. These 2 pictures are they discuss. And teachers encourage students to ask more questions because the teachers think the student when the student asks questions, that is to say, the students are brainstorming. And as I mentioned, which people you think they are? The student in the United States or Taiwanese or Chinese? I think most of us think these are the students in the United States. And summary, I compare 3 countries. The first one is Taiwan, the second one is China, and the third one is the United States. The students in this country are different. For hardworking and competition, Chinese students focus on it most, and creativity and brainstorm. The students in the United States focus on it the most, And for studying in an academic subject, Taiwanese and Chinese students will focus on it the most. And comparing the students in Taiwan, China, and the United States, if you were a boss, which interviewers would you choose? I think most of us have the answer in our mind. Thank you.